A journey by train. Introduction. A journey is always pleasant to all. Amongst different kinds of journeys, a journey by train is very interesting and enjoyable. It gives us much pleasure and new experience. Occasion of the journey. Last month I got an opportunity to make a journey by train. It was from Dhaka to Chattogram. I went there with my parents to visit my uncle's house. We bought our tickets and got into the train in the morning. Description of the journey. The train started at the right time. At first it moved slowly, then it began to run very fast. I sat outside the window and looked outside. The scenery on both sides was very beautiful. I saw green fields, trees, rivers, canals, bridges and small houses. Many farmers were working in the field. Children were playing beside their houses. Birds were flying in the sky. Everything looked very nice and charming. Destination. After about 7 hours, the train and came out of the station. Conclusion. The journey was very pleasant and enjoyable. I enjoyed it so much. It was one of the most memorable journeys of my life. ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ সবাইকে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।